back to my channel, and in this video we'll be talking about what are those things that you need in your college. So let's get started. So when you're moving from your school to college, so there are a lot of things that you need to take care while going to your college. So we'll be talking about everything, starting from the outfits you need to have to the study essentials that you need to have at your college. So let's break this down into three things. First, your attire, your outfit. Second will be what you can carry to the college. And third, the electronic items, which are a sort of necessity. So first we'll be talking about the outfits. So in outfits, there are basically two categories. First your western wear and then your ethnic wear. So for the western wear, I would recommend you to have some basic tops, pants, jeans. Basic tops isliye because you need not to have a lot of clothes to make one outfit, because they can be styled in many different ways and you can have more than one outfit with those basic tops only. And some basic tops, jeans, pants. Then for the ethnic wear, I would recommend you to have some short kurtis, suits, or the saris if you want to wear them on special occasions. So yeah. So next we'll be talking about the skincare or the makeup. So skincare is essential, of course. So skincare mein you can have a skincare routine जिसमें at least you have 3-step formula. First, your cleanser, your face wash. Particularly, I used to use a Cetaphil face wash. It's very gentle, mild and suitable for all skin types. तो उसका link मैं description में डाल दूँगी. You can check it out from there. Next, the moisturizer. Moisturizer, basically I particularly use a Lakme moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you want. Next is your sunscreen. Sunscreen, I particularly use Aqualogica sunscreen. That sunscreen is also very well because it does not leave any white scars or it gives you a full protection. So uska link bhi I'll put in the description box. Next, about the makeup. Makeup, you don't have to do a very heavy makeup on regular days. It should be a subtle makeup. So for that you need to have lip balms, lip tints, or the nude lipsticks because it looks subtle on your face. Then you can have some kajal or the liner. Particularly I use kajal for the regular days. I have used Lakme, Swiss Beauty or the Rene kajal. You can use any one of them. Next, a blush. I used to use that blush stick from Zudio. So you can use any blush that you want, or if you don't want, then that's particularly your choice. Yeah. Talking about some more essentials, which includes a water bottle. A water bottle is a must because regular college days mein and due to the hot summer, you need hydration. So a water bottle which is small and packed and easily adjustable in your bag is more preferable. Next, bags like tote bags are very used nowadays. So you can use any tote bags which looks cool also, and the tote bags which are particularly in dark colors, like most preferably black, because it carries all the dust, so you need not to have to wash it again and again. So, and most importantly, a comfortable footwear. Comfortable footwear like shoes, sports shoes, sneakers or flat sandals, because you might have to walk a lot in your college. एक classroom से दूसरे classroom, or if you're traveling via metro, so you need to walk a lot. So comfortable footwear is a must because you need to give presentations and projects वगैरह करने होते हैं via societies also. So laptop is a must for giving the presentations. And you should have a headphone अगर आपको कुछ lectures लेने हैं in the college itself, headphones or earpods, and also a phone, obviously Android or iPhone, that's your choice.